A morning walk paragraph. A morning walk is a refreshing ritual that invigorates both the body and the mind. Stepping out into the early light, the crisp air carries a sense of renewal as the world awakens. The tranquility of the morning provides a serene backdrop for contemplation and movement. Walking in the morning offers a range of physical benefits. It jump-starts the metabolism, setting the tone for an active day. The gentle exercise gets the blood flowing, helping to boost energy levels and enhance overall fitness. Moreover, exposure to natural light during a morning walk can help regulate sleep patterns and improve mood. Beyond the physical advantages, a morning walk also provides a mental retreat. The quietude of the surroundings allows for introspection and mindfulness. It's a time to clear the mind, set intentions for the day, and appreciate the beauty of nature's unfolding canvas. The sights and sounds of the early morning offer a unique experience. Birds chirping, the rustling of leaves, and the gradual illumination of the sky create a serene atmosphere. Whether it's a stroll through a park, a walk along a quiet street, or a trek in nature, a morning walk offers a brief escape from the rush of daily life. In a world characterized by constant connectivity and fast-paced routines, a morning walk offers a rare opportunity to slow down and savor the present moment. It's a simple yet powerful practice that contributes to both physical well-being and mental clarity, making it a valuable addition to anyone's routine.